Welcome to this vlog, everyone. We are joined by my special guest, Lucy. Lucy hasn't been in my videos in so long, or you've been like here and there, but not like a lot. And like, I miss you being in my videos. And I think that people miss you too. They're always like, where's Lucy? If you guys didn't know, if you're new, I have a twin sister. And this is her.
That's me.
She's quiet and like sleepy right now. It's kind of early. We are headed to Homegoods. We'll probably get like smoothies somewhere. Don't worry, we have our masks and everything. We're doing everything nice and safe. Lucy's gonna be, I was gonna say, what's it called if like, you know, a sous chef is like your right hand man when you're cooking. You're like my right hand man at Homegoods. I feel like I need help because I'm trying to shop for my new apartment, find some gems. Yeah, I thought it could be fun to bring you guys along. And I also want to get some things for my mom for her house. She was like, I need like a big kitchen soap, like pans that you cook with, stuff like that. So this is just gonna be a fun little twinny time adventure. And we'll bring you along. Here we are. Guys, I'm so overwhelmed with all the mirrors. Oh, also, by the way, just got these shorts from Princess Polly. I think they're so cute. But this gold mirror, I love. It's so big. I think it would look really cute in our entryway. I don't know if we need black, though, Lucy.
Yeah.
To go over, I'm not sure. Guys, I'm getting really bad at filming here because it gets really overwhelming. Oh. Outfit of the day. Like, I like this comforter set. It's just plain white. I think I want this for at home or for our new apartment, like the guest bed. I think we're gonna get like a pull-out couch situation. This would be good.
Yeah.
I might just get it. Like, ooh. At Homegoods, I feel like I'm like,
Yeah.
it's very overwhelming. Let me show you what I got so far. Okay, this is what we got going on so far. Found this little geode. I thought it was cute. There's some pink in it.
Yeah. It's like stained. I don't think you should get it.
Are we over this
one?
one?
And it's busted.
Yeah, and there's no tag on it.
We can find a better one. I found a really nice one.
Okay, we can find a better. Lucy's right. I just got excited. She's getting my mom some hand soap. She likes bamboo toothbrushes. I found this little wicker basket. I thought it was cute. This might be our fruit basket, or maybe it won't be, but I just like it.
Yeah, that might get weird because it's a
I wanted to get my mom a cookie sheet. This little, I think it's like a candle holder, but I just like it.
It'll be nice if you put it as a candle holder as well.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, and I found this salt rock lamp that I like.
Oh man, you guys.
Oh, thank you. We were probably wandering in there for like an hour and a half. No. You didn't even see my gold mirror. I'll show you when we get back. It's like laying down back there, but that was fun. Do we still want the smoothies, or do we just want to get lunch from our salad place?
I don't know if I even want that. Their salads are very good. They're not like cold.
We might stop by another Homegoods on the way home. Because I really need a geode. I want one so bad. Okay, just had a mini heart attack because I couldn't find, you guys, my vlog camera. And I thought I left it like on the shelf in Homegoods. That would have been really bad. But I realized I didn't even tell them. Do you know my inspiration for Homegoods and like this whole thing?
What?
Oh wow, these necklaces. Oh, Lucy?
Oh, she twisted up.
Oh man, these are so twisted. Oh, I don't even think they saw this one either. What is this called again? You can tell them.
It's a clada necklace.
Lucy got them for us in Ireland.
Clada rings is normally the thing. Because you know, it's like it's, see on mine, it's like kind of like hands giving away the heart. So if it's like one way, then it's like your heart is free, like you're like single, and then yeah, the other way it's like I have a boyfriend or I'm taken.
But I really like them. Lucy's is our birthstone aquamarine, but then they were out of it, so then she got me purple. But I really like the purple, so anyway. Oh, but I realized, I don't think you even know this either, and I definitely didn't tell my vlog, but my inspo for Homegoods and like literally my entire apartment, you guys, is this guy I found on YouTube like a week or two ago. I swear, you know how your computer and your phone like listens to you? So obviously I'm like searching up furniture like all these places, and suddenly my entire YouTube recommended homepage is like home decor, like interior design stuff. And so this guy's videos kept popping up. Arvin Olano. I'm obsessed with him. Arvin, you're not watching this video, but like I'm literally in love. Like he's just amazing and incredible. And he finds the most amazing things at his HomeGoods. I'm like, what HomeGoods are you going to? Because mine don't have that. But he finds the most amazing things. He makes me, he's so bougie too, and like loves the Restoration Hardware look, but is like, does he have some pieces from Restoration Hardware? I feel like he does, but tries to get like the look for less kind of thing, which is what like obviously I would love to do, because like who wants to spend all that money on furniture? But he just is making me like crazy, and I look at furniture and home decor all day and watch all his videos, and I really want to go to a Restoration Hardware outlet because it's literally all their pieces, but I think everything in there, Lou, he was saying.
Is there any near us?
No, they're like 2 hours away, and I'm about to like have a road trip, in New Jersey. But I think there's one in Massachusetts, someone was telling me, so I could go when we're like on the Cape. But apparently if you return something there, they can't sell it again, so it goes into an outlet and becomes like half off or something. So I want to hit up one of those. But yeah, that's my inspo, you guys. If you're like, wow, your entire apartment looks like Arvin Olano's, like, you know why. Because I love him, and so that's my inspo for literally everything. He like teaches you, he goes through HomeGoods, he's like, no, this looks cheap, don't get this is tacky. It's like obviously everyone has their own opinion, so he's like, this is just mine, but I feel like I so agree. And he like teaches you, he's like, you want this type of rug, this type of this and that. So that's like what I'm going for. If any of you are curious, if you're wondering like my inspo or like what I'm trying to look, just go watch his videos. Okay, I think he's like relatively new, but he's gonna grow so fast. Like everyone comments on his comments and is like, you should have your own show on HGTV. Like he's so professional and just like his place is so cute. Anyway, enough about him. We're gonna go into this HomeGoods quickly because we already got a lot. So yes, guys, Arvin would love these. He would say they're stunning, so I think I'm gonna go with this smaller one. I don't know what's gonna go in here, but it'll be cute. Guys, are you kidding me? This is the biggest geode I can find. All I want is a big crystal geode that's like white, you know? Hi, it's me. It's a couple days later. I feel like I know I never ended off this vlog, and I wanted to give you guys just a haul of everything that I got, but also I've been a little crazy, and I think since you guys saw me and my twin sister at HomeGoods, I think I've gone 2 more times because I've just been obsessed. So I just want to show you guys everything I've gotten at HomeGoods in the past like week, and just give you a little apartment decor haul and show you all the goodies I've been finding at HomeGoods, because I'm guessing chances are if I got them at HomeGoods in the last week, you can probably find them, or at least something similar, at your local HomeGoods. So, are you ready to see everything? I know some things I showed you and talked about, but I don't even remember, so I'm just gonna show you guys everything. You guys, this is so not cute right now. I just didn't know how to show this. So I put this flat on the ground, this gold mirror. It's gonna be cute in our apartment. There's like sticks and random crap everywhere. Don't mind that, but it's a pretty big mirror. I'm guessing we will put this in our entryway. Not totally sure, but yeah, it'll end up in our apartment somewhere. So here's this big gold circle mirror. You guys, please just don't mind what's going on in my mother's living room, because it's basically been a storage room for me. But I got these pillows. I thought they were such like nice quality. I really like that they were so neutral. They feel like a really nice woven like rug almost. And obviously Arvin always says you have to be able to chop them because they're nice and squishy. They feel like down, and so I got just matching ones of those. These are gonna look so cute on our couch. Okay, then this little dude, I believe I showed you this guy when I was shopping with Lucy. I believe it's a candle holder, which I don't think I even knew when I got it, but I will either put a little cute candle on there or just leave it plain. I feel like by itself, I really like the texture. Very like natural One Hotel vibes. I just want my apartment to literally feel like I'm at the One Hotel. Okay, next up, this is so funny, I'm just like holding everything. Is this like a woven, or is this rattan? Maybe just woven, I don't really know. But it's this woven basket. I think it's so gorgeous. I could see us having this in the kitchen with like fruit in there, or I feel like it's kind of too big for like your keys and stuff, but I just know we will have this somewhere, maybe on like a coffee table. So cute. Again, very like natural vibes. Okay, then I'm sure I showed you guys this salt rock lamp. It's literally so heavy, but it's just this very natural kind of like gray, oh gosh, it's so heavy, beige color, very like white, neutral. I liked it more than like the pink ones, you know. I thought it was pretty and unique. Then this planter I had to have in my life. Like, look at it. I just thought it was so gorgeous and like rustic, kind of vintage looking. It's like white, but has all these like speckles. It's very large and very heavy. And I plan on putting my birds of paradise. I believe that's what this plant is called. It's a fake plant, but it's from CB2. I want to put that in here. Again, ignore all my crap going on in the background, but I thought this was gorgeous. Then I found this gorgeous, just all obviously glass bowl, and this I could also see being used as like a fruit bowl. I think this would be so pretty because you could like see all the fruit through it. And I know this is the brand Nude, you guys, which I learned from Arvin's videos. I'm so obsessed with him, but he says that it's such a good brand and you can find it for literally like hundreds of dollars at some places. So right as I saw this, I knew I had to snatch it up. I could also put like a big salad in here. I just think it's such a nice like quality glass bowl. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have these little, well, this gem hiding back here. I think I got this before I went to Homegoods with Lucy, or maybe it was after. I don't know. Anyway, this is obviously a designer like coffee table book. I thought it was so cute. This Dior coffee table book. Like, look at her. And she was on sale at Homegoods, so I need to snatch her up. This is gonna look so cute in our apartment, you guys. Look for designer coffee table books because they will be so much cheaper at HomeGoods than anywhere else. And then right underneath, I have 50 just black velvet hangers. I'm kind of a snob with my hangers. I only have black velvet ones because I just think it looks so nice in my closet. And I saw that there's 50 of them. I know these will come in handy when we move because I feel like you always end up losing hangers. And I want Max to have black hangers too if we are sharing a closet so that it will look nice. Okay, this is literally so random of me. I just took them all out of their little HomeGoods bags and just put them on the ground so I could lay it out to show you guys. I'm sorry, I like don't know how to show this right now. We are nearing the end. I believe these are the last few things I have to show you guys. I feel like I got so much more, but maybe I really didn't. I don't know, maybe I'm missing some things, but these I literally got this morning at HomeGoods, you guys. I just thought this black little sculpture was really pretty. Arvin would say it gives visual interest. I hope. I literally feel like I want to consult with him about everything I'm getting for my apartment and be like, do you approve of this? Because I just love his taste in home decor. Obviously, I keep mentioning him in this video. And then I found this geode. You guys know I've been on the lookout for like a white neutral geode, and I finally found them this morning. Snatched her up, $24.99. Beautiful. I want to find some other like really big ones, but that one is good to start. And then I just really liked this little vase. Arvin would call it a vessel. I love this vessel. She's stunning. But it's kind of little. It's on the littler side, which I learned from him. You want to get really big, like grand pieces, obviously where they'll fit. But I liked how little and like simple this was. I like the vibe of it, very neutral. And I thought we could have it like on our desk or something with some dried florals, stuff like that. So these are my last 3 HomeGoods pieces. So I think that is it, you guys. Sorry, I kind of have my stuff scattered all around in here. I really hope I didn't miss anything, but I think that is everything that I picked up at HomeGoods like in the last week. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think. I feel like I look so greasy right now. I apologize for my appearance. It's like 92 degrees out. So love you guys. Thank you for watching. This is the end of this vlog. I will see you in my next video. Bye.